We've all experienced inflammation at one time or another, from cuts to swelling and even fever. Injuries and infections cause this type of acute inflammation, which is the body's rapid response mechanism. But what happens when you experience chronic inflammation? This kind of inflammation is more serious and can even contribute to some of the most prevalent health issues we see today. So in today's video, I will dive deeper into chronic inflammation and give you the best tips for preventing it. First, if you're new to this channel, I want to ask you to subscribe if you like learning new ways to heal through holistic lifestyle habits. And if you want to know when I upload new videos, turn on notifications as well. Chronic inflammation begins the same way acute inflammation starts. The body tries to get rid of what the immune system interprets as foreign invaders. And this process can become a persistent state, even if the perceived threat isn't really harmful to the body. We see this in autoimmune disorders like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, type 1 diabetes, etc. When the body mistakenly reacts to its own tissues as if they are foreign, they produce damaging inflammation against them. This chronic low-grade inflammation may take years for you to notice, or something could trigger it before you end up noticing it. Lifestyle habits like smoking, poor diet, alcohol consumption, a sedentary lifestyle, stress, and weight gain can cause this type of persistent inflammation. So how do you know if you have acute inflammation or chronic inflammation or any inflammation at all? Well, acute inflammation symptoms are obvious and immediate. The 4 signs are redness, pain, warmth, or swelling. But chronic inflammation is more gradual and subtle. Some common symptoms of chronic inflammation are fatigue, joint pain, muscle aches, gut issues, constipation, diarrhea, weight gain, headaches, and skin rashes. And unlike acute inflammation, these symptoms continue long-term or come and go over time. The more serious problem with chronic inflammation is that it is linked to serious health issues such as Alzheimer's and dementia, cancer, anxiety and depression, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, asthma, and arthritis. But the good news is there are some lifestyle strategies you can practice to help combat chronic inflammation. First, you want to make sure you are eating an anti-inflammatory diet. This diet includes fruits, vegetables, nuts, fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and tuna, and healthy oils like olive oil and avocado oil. You also want to limit foods that cause inflammation like simple sugars and refined carbohydrates. Another way to fight inflammation is to get 20 to 30 minutes of activity every day. A mix of cardio and resistance training is ideal. Sleep is another important part of preventing inflammation as well. You want 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep consistently. Drinking alcohol and smoking are habits that cause inflammation because they are considered a toxin to the body. Anything your body sees as a toxin will cause inflammation. Limit these as much as possible. And managing stress is important for reducing inflammation as well. Chronic stress can disrupt the autonomic nervous system, which may cause anxiety disorders in some people. You can reduce chronic stress by engaging in relaxing activities such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga, and spending time in nature. Even though inflammation is an essential part of the body's healing process, chronic inflammation isn't normal. Chronic inflammation is a symptom of more serious health conditions like we discussed earlier. You can take charge of this issue by practicing the healthy lifestyle habits we talked about. Let me know in the comments if you've ever experienced chronic inflammation. Don't forget to like this video and share it with someone else you think could benefit from it as well. And if you are interested in learning more about how I can help you reduce your inflammation and heal your health issues, the link to my website is in the description box. This is where you can learn more about what I do and book a free health assessment call with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video.